747 captains with British Airways. God knows how British Airways manages when you get I've always thought this was the closest, best flown display by two aeroplanes that I'd ever seen. This team performed in China last year, amongst other things. A long way to go in one of these little aeroplanes. This is a version of the extra, extreme extra if you like. Watch this. This team carry out flick manoeuvres inverted. Heaven knows what it looks like from inside the cockpit. Paul and I first met many years ago when I actually taught him to fly 737s. He's a lovely young man, recently married, now with children. Watch. Oh, tail slide and a hammerhead stall. Isn't that beautiful? Called the Matadors, of course, because of the Red Bull connection, and you'll see the aircraft in the Red Bull colour scheme. Now inverted and rolling away. Look at that. We have a roll rate of around 500 degrees a second. That's 1.5 times nearly round the roll in a second.
Did you get it further?
Don't worry about that.
Stress to plus and minus 10 G, I believe. Human being blacks out at about 6 G without a G, so that's enough. There, one inverted, one the right way up, one pushing, one pulling as they go round together in perfect formation. The one pushing out the bottom of the loop now. Got a feeling this is going to be a rather nice shape, and I dedicate this to my dear lady wife who's here today. Much suffering. You hear the sound there of the constant speed props working on the governors. So-called constant speed because you set the RPM, you set the revolutions you want, and then vary the boost, the power. And this will now hang on its propeller. Watch. Almost a greater than 1 power to weight ratio, and now literally a falling leaf. Notice the use of rudder, keeping the nose up in the knife edge flight. Now that's something I never want to do, but my son used to practice it at college. They used to do a circuit, continual rolling circuit in the extra. Like a skater or a dancer spinning on a spot, like a ballet dancer or a skater spinning on their skates. Flying circuits like that requires a for many years the longest range bombing operation ever carried out. To our left, a unique sight.
Jamie, stand up.
The only one.
Don't want that. No.
Or Olympus engines, the Vulcan V2 on your left. Aeroplane first flew, not this particular one, but the first Vulcan first flew in 1952, so it's its Diamond Jubilee as well. The design started with Roy Chadwick, the design. line.